Alright, so I'm going to kind of sidetrack this video from the down state just to fix a bug that we found in that video, which is when we shoot, as long as we hit something, everything's fine, but if we hit nothing, the game locks up and we crash. So this is starting while happening. Let's go ahead and just start from our fire game mode at line 108. So our weapons module, go to our fire ability at, what was it, 10, yeah, 108, right here. So that's where we are drawing the debug sphere. And we are also calling applied damage. So this could be in, issues in one of two places. First one being we don't actually have a valid hit result. So that's something we do want to actually check. But that may not be the case given that we are making our way to the game mode. So we're just going to have to kind of see. So let's go to our apply damage in the game mode, which I think was near the top. So apply damage, line 78, which is right here. So we are printing out the hit actor, which we have none. So yeah, that is our problem right there. And we don't actually need this anymore to begin with. So we can remove the log entirely and make sure that everything works. Okay, once we are back in the editor, so that's still fine. And we can shoot into the sky without issue. Did I hit him? Nope. Still nope. There we go. Alrighty, so I just wanted to go ahead and get that resolved really quick so we can continue on, because otherwise I likely would have forgotten until it happened again. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.